All aboard the Tech News, Games, and Deals caboose. Tech News, Tesla Model X gets a police prototype revealed. The unit has not been tested, but mentions of reaching out to Tesla may proceed. Model 3's first big crash on social appears. The gas pedal caused a small foot injury, and passenger cuts caused from breaking the tablet screen. Elon already tweeted about revisions for opening the glove box and adding plastic to the screen. Finally, in Tesla news, the space Roadster has a 6% chance of colliding with Earth in the next million years. Also, mark your calendars for 2091 for its first close encounter with Earth. Intel's new graphics driver now automatically adjusts game settings. 6th Gen and 8th Gen with Vega M graphics processors will get the feature for supported games. Google Image Search loses its View Image button, which offered a larger view of an image without having to click through to a website. Users are still able to right-click on images to open the full size in a new tab. Games.Yonder, the Cloud Catcher Chronicles, a paradise at first glance, yet evil creeps in the darkness. Explore Gamia at 40% off for $15. Nippon Marathon enters Early Access. Race in this interesting, chaotic, physics-driven game over many courses. 15% off for $8. Dead Space is free on Origin, while Dungeons 2 is free on GOG. GTA Online gets $250k cash bonus for logging in by the 20th, 10% rebate on cash spent. Pokemon Go's Lunar New Year bonus involves catching Poochyena, Growlithe, Snubbull, Eevee, or Electric for bonus Stardust. And February 17th. Xbox Free Play Days for All invites you online to play for free with friends. Rainbow Six Siege and NBA 2K18 are available to download, and the event lasts from February 15th through 18th. Gears of War 4 gets double XP weekend, a new Horde event, daily login bonuses, and more. For Honor Apollyon's Legacy event begins. New loot and a new limited time mode pits 4 players in an elimination mode against campaign bosses. Every round 1 increases the difficulty. Lasts until March 8th. Deals. Matchdrop has the Mavic Airfly More combo at $100 off for $900. Newegg has the Mavic Pro plus DJI Googles combo with $150 Newegg gift card for $1,250. Amazon has the Essential Phone Black or Gray at $50 off for $450. Links and news sources in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like or subscribe.